Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and thank you very much for joining today and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another FCPX tips and tricks. Today we're going to learn how to make the speed ramping effect. This was just fun when I just started my YouTubing journey. I was just hunting down to see how to make this particular effect onto my videos, and I still remember that I started implementing it on one of the Royal Enfield product shoot. Also today we're going to see how to make this particular speed ramping effect and also see what are the two ways when you can use this particular speed ramping. So this speed ramping effect can be used on your B-roll sequences, the drone videos, product shoots and many more. So let's go ahead and learn how to make the speed ramping effect and also see how we can implement the speed ramping effect on a single clip and also how to make the speed ramping transition effect with multiple clips. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and see how to make this speed ramping effect on Final Cut Pro. And I'm gonna choose one of the drone footage which I recently shot. This is the drone footage taken in Mysore University. It's one of the beautiful places on the earth and I'm pretty excited to share the vlog or drone video soon. Alright, so we have two clips right now wherein we are gonna use this. So first, let's go ahead and add speed ramp effect onto the first clip. So let me choose the starting point of this particular clip where I want to start the speed ramping. So after a while, I want to start the speed ramping here. Okay, let me stop there. Press Shift and B on your keyboard, which will bring up the blade tool, and go ahead and select the end point. So I want to end it over here somewhere near to the clock tower. So let me go ahead and press Shift and B again. So now go ahead and change the speed settings. I will change it to 20 for this particular clip. You can go ahead and select any one you want for specific to your clips. So once you change the speed of the clip, you can go ahead and decrease the transition fall-offs by decreasing the green line what you see there. Just drag a little bit and same holds to the other end as well. So once we are done, let's go ahead and see how it looks. Great. That looks amazing. Wow. So now let's go and use the second clip of ours and let's make a transition out of it. Now let's go and create the speed ramping transition out of these two clips. Now to do that, let's go to the end of the first clip and press Shift and B here, and again go to the second clip and choose the starting point of your clip and press Shift and B. Now go ahead and change the speed for both of the clips. I'll change it to 8x here and I will change it to 8x here as well. So decrease the transition fall-offs here as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how this speed ramping transition looks now. Wow, that is amazing, isn't it? So let's go ahead and play both of them and let's try to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you have enjoyed it for whatsoever reason, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon because you will be notified first when I post a new video on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.